Page settings can be found in the left menu. Depending on your project type, you will see some different options. Responsive projects don't have set pages, so you will only need page settings to change the name of the page. This affects how it appears in the module navigation menu. This is a fixed width project, so as you can see there are some other options. Choose a different page template from the drop-down list. This changes how your content is displayed on the page. For example, you could have a full page video, or show some text side by side with an image. The next section is for setting the page background. You can have a background color, background image, or a combination of the two, using an image with transparency. Use the radio buttons to choose whether you want just a plain background color, or if you want to see the background image. The color can be changed by right-clicking on the color square, to show the color picker. Please note that you may need to press Ctrl and then click if you are using a Mac. To change the background image, click on the image upload icon. Or if you have already uploaded an image, click on that. This will open the image manager in a panel on the right. Simply drag and drop from your image library, or from the stock images to change it. Remember to click Save to apply your changes.